Hi, and welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to be going over how you can quickly make your Etsy images for your listings for digital products in 5 minutes or less. So if you like that, if you want to be able to save time and make your listings a lot quicker and have them stand out in your searching, then stick around for this video. I would appreciate if you would like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss another video. And let's get right into it. So right here, I have this template. As you can see, it's very simple. And this is all editable. You can edit the text, you can edit your subtitle, and this is where if you have a multi-file PDF, ebook, journal, planner, you can select different pages that you can go ahead and download that you created and PNG, and you can select those specific pages and download them one by one or download them all as a zip file and then upload them, re-upload them back into Canva and then add them here. All of this is editable as well. So I'm just going to show you a few options here. So we have the title here, ready to print, product title put here, a lot of many, your product name, download here, description. If it's a planner, we have this one, your website. So as you can see, there is tons and tons of examples in here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can edit one of these. And let me go ahead and hit grid view so I can select the one that I want to show you. But as you can see here, this has about 100 something templates that you can use, even a thank you template that you can send after their purchase, and then also what they can be sent with a link to download. How it works, you can add these in your as one of your pictures on your Etsy listing as well, so that it explain how they're going to be able to get their digital download. We have an Instagram post template here as well. And let's see here. Which one do I want to select? So let's just do this one for now. So I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this. And so, of course, you're going to put the main title here, teacher planner, for example, or whatever your digital product you're selling. And we're going to go ahead and center this, and you can edit all of this. You can make the line spacing closer. We can put this all on one line, make it smaller. And you can obviously change this effect as well, change the color of the effect, or turn the style off all completely. But to save you the most time, of course, you want to do minimal as possible. So if you could just change the color to match your brand, and then maybe put a subtitle here, save time this school year, something that speaks to the person's pain points or something that this is going to help solve, that is going to want them to click on it, solve a problem that they have. So we're going to go ahead and hit. And then you're going to, just like I said before, you're going to upload some sections of your digital product as a preview. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now so that they can get a So right here we have the cover photo of the planner, and then I have two more pictures from the planner so they can see what it's gonna look like and what they can expect. And like I said, you can change all of this to match your colors. If I wanted to match my pictures, all I have to do is hit add new color, click this little pick a color drop, and I can go through this picture and pick colors directly from that picture. So we're going to go over here to the effects, and I could pick the same exact color, and there we go. So we group it together. We highlighted, hit group. That way we can make it a little bit bigger if you want. This is already grouped. All you have to do is hit position forward to bring it back to the front and group. If you are using this for your listing, you can go ahead and put something else here besides click here. But if you were using this as like once they download, you could have your Canva template link or your download of your PDF here as well. But we're going to go ahead and change the background color to match everything. You can change the text here. Maybe grab your copy today. And you can get some text ideas from ChatGPT as well to draw attention of people. But we can click that right here. But if you wanted to make this a link, all you have to do is highlight it and hit link. And you're going to go ahead and copy the link to either your PDF file or to your Canva template link here and hit done. And then in order for someone to be able to click a link, this has to be downloaded as a PDF file. A PNG or JPG will not allow people to click. So it has to be either a PDF standard or PDF print. And that is how you're able to click directly in the document. So I hope that this video was helpful. Like I said, this is a way for you to be able to create your templates in 5 minutes or less. And as you can see, there's a variety of different things, and this is a way for you to save time. And I am currently giving away three of these options. So I'm going to pick three main options that you can use for your digital products, and I'm going to be adding it to my website. creativecanvadigitaldesigns.com, and the link will be in the description below. And then if you would like the full bundle with 100 plus templates, I will have that listed as well. So that will be for $10. But like I said, I'm giving away three of these options for free, including this one. And so if you would like to be able to save time with your Etsy listings and stand out, you can make sure to go check that out. Have a great day, and I hope this video was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video. And please let me know below what type of videos you want me to create next, so I can create content that you want to watch and learn from. Have a great day.